got the rubber up under here now.
Do you hear all the metal cooling off?
Wow,
So
what a fun day.
Yeah, it was a fun night.
Peace, we're out.
Doing it.
Yo! We're back at Sheepy. Guess what?
Changing the tires out.
The tires didn't last very long after the 7,500 RPM in second gear donuts in Tanner Fox's driveway. It laid some serious rubber down. We didn't totally slay them down to the boards because I had to drive an hour home last night. Alright, I got brand new XCOM tires. We're going to take these are the stickies. You stickied me up. You didn't go hard on me, did you?
No.
The thing is, they're sticky when you don't make power. When you make power, you still blow the tire off.
We're going to find out. But I saw the kid putting them on. You make sure they're charged? Yeah.
You put the